Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to iTouch App Reviewers. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Haylou's T16 True Wireless Active Noise Cancellation earbuds. So these things look absolutely awesome. I believe Haylou is part of Xiaomi, so these should be pretty good quality. Here is the back of the box. You can see some of the features here. It's got an in-ear sensor, active noise cancellation, wireless charging, open lid to connect, master slave switch, AAC, and copper-clad aluminum wire. So here's what's in the box down here. As you guys can see, ear tips, earbuds, charging case, cable, and a user manual. Let's go ahead and get this thing open. So I'm just going to rip it from the back here and open it up like so. And here is the packaging. As you can see, kind of this embossed picture of the headphones themselves. Looks really cool, looks very premium. But these are not expensive headphones in my opinion, which is a plus. So nothing in there. We'll slide that off to the side. Now let's go ahead and open this box up. And here we are presented with the headphones themselves. Wow. This is a very nice presentation. Here we have the earbuds themselves, looking very nice and still wrapped up, as you guys can see. So we'll take those out of here, set those down. And here is the case that they come in. Pull this off of here and take a look at that. So it says Haylou right there. Haylou, I don't know how to pronounce that, but I'm gonna say Haylou because that sounds better. It's matte black, which looks absolutely awesome. When I open it up, it's got a little light right here. Here is the slots for these headphones, but I'm gonna have to take this plastic off of them first, I think. So what else is in the box? We have got a little manual here. And I believe we should have some ear tips. So it looks like these are the ear tips here. Let's go ahead and open that up. So you guys can see here, we've got different size ear tips, and I'm gonna set those off to the side here. And what's in here? It looks like more ear tips are in this one. So let's go ahead and take a look. Yep, a bunch more ear tips over here. So I guess you will find every size that you could possibly want somewhere in here. So that is cool. We've also got a Type-C cable, as you guys can see here. So I like to open these like that. And USB-A on one end and USB-C on the other. Love to see it. This is awesome because this will fit pretty much any port that you guys have. And this is the newest adapter that I just love everything to be USB-C. So let me tidy this up a bit and I'll be right back. So I went ahead and took some of the tape off of these. You guys can see this one is blinking right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and put them in here just to kind of see how it goes. Ooh, that was a very satisfying magnetic click. This one a little less so. Must just have been the way I put it in there. So there they are in the case. Got a little bit of dust in there. Looks really sleek. I really like matte black designs because no fingerprints, as you guys can see, and it just looks really good. So the light is kind of pulsing right now, which means I believe that they're charging. So it's just letting me know. So there they are with their little LEDs showing that they are charging. Let's take them out. Let's pair them up with the iPhone and see how it does. Now I'm curious if they have the iPhone chip in them. Of course they don't. But let's go ahead and into settings here and let's see if they show up when I open this up. There they are. Haylou T16s. And they are paired up just like that. That was the easiest pairing besides AirPods that I've ever done. So that is awesome. So it says they're paired up. So I'm going to put them in and see what it sounds like. All right, guys. So I have them in right now. I feel like I'm screaming because these things are really blocking out the sound, which is awesome. Holy crap. Just from having these in, I can already tell that the active noise cancellation must be working because I could not hear anything. Like I could barely hear my voice. So I had to take them out just to talk to the camera. But as you can see, they're very sensitive. So if I just barely tap this, it's going to start pausing and playing, which is really good because AirPods, I have a hard time doing that. But so far, I am really enjoying these. I'm going to put them back in, listen to some music, and I'll let you guys know. All right, let's go ahead and see if I take one out. If it pauses, oh my gosh, it does. Let's put that back in. Take out the other one. Now let's see if it keeps playing if I hit play. So it's still playing in the right ear. Let's try the left. All right, taking out the right one and pressing play. That is awesome. So you do not have to have both of them in your ears at the same time to listen to the music, which is fantastic. Now I was just reading through the manual and this can actually be charged via wireless charging or right there with the USB-C port. So this can be charged two different ways, which is fantastic. These are of course wireless charging because you just throw them in the case. Now it says here that there's an app. So let's go ahead and open this up and see if there really is an application for this. So let's go ahead and click Haylou Fun. And there sure enough is an application. So let's go ahead and get that and I'll let you guys know what happens. Okay, well, for some reason the app's not working for me, so we're not gonna do that part. I can't get logged in for some reason. But without that, we don't really need it. So after using these a little bit longer, what is my verdict? Well, I will say that the active noise cancellation on these really does work and it works great. The other thing I'll say is that this charger just looks really good. I love the matte black design. It is super small. Here it is next to the iPhone 11 Pro, not the Max. So you guys can see just how tiny this thing is. Matte black just always looks good. Very subtle branding right there. Everything works great. You guys can see them right now charging up. I'm going to give this thing a charge as well, but overall, very pleased with this device. Now for the price, it's hard to beat. I'll leave a link down below so you guys can pick these up for yourself. But in the price range they're at, it's kind of more of a budget headphone, but it comes with active noise cancellation, which is kind of unheard of. So check them out, guys. I think they are definitely worth the price. The sound quality is great. Battery also seems great. Each earbud has 50 milliamp hours itself. I believe this thing itself is either 500 or 600 milliamp hours. So you guys can charge these up while on the go very quickly and multiple times without issues. So as you guys can see, that light is pulsing, meaning they are charging right now, and they are asleep in their little box. So check these out. Like I said, links down below. It comes with all these different ear tips and the charging cable is included. And of course, this is wireless charge compatible, so no issues there. That's all I got for this video, guys. If you liked it, hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.